it's a little personal, but I believe due to the urgency of the situation, I'd rather like disclosing it here.
Okay.
I think it's no issue if I do so. Some Jewish person here where I live told me that tomorrow morning, I believe it's in the morning, a Beit Din is coming all the way from New York, and they're going to be performing circumcisions to people here, to some people that want to convert subsequently. And some people from around the country are coming here and gathering up, and all of them are going to get circumcised. And this Jewish person invited me not only to go and witness the whole thing, but to get circumcised myself. And I was wondering, okay, I don't know who the Beit Din is. I don't know the rabbis. I do trust this person. My family knows him, but I don't know what I should do. Like, it's just like I don't know. I don't know what to do. I was wondering if Kabbalah could give me some advice in regards to this.
It's not. Usually, people get some. I see that to get the Jewish circumcision, have to be like 30 days or 60 days away from your conversion date. So it's not like an undecided date. I mean, if a person can get the circumcision, Jewish, if they would agree, I don't think that they would. I mean, because there would be too many people, and plus, I think it costs money. It's not for free. They're not obligated to do it for free. Right? So it could be a few $1,000s simply, right? Because it's like a surgery, especially for adults. For children, it's easier, right? But for adults, it's the whole surgery. So is it advisable to do it? I think when you're ready before the Beis Din, do it then, not now. But you can go and see. I mean, see these people and just talk to them. See what happens. Very interesting. And plus,
Yeah.
I don't. It does not sound like logical to me. Do it in one day. They would need. Again, it is a serious surgery. They would take a blood type, all of their tests before they're doing this. I mean, God forbid something can go wrong. So they have to have all of the information. People from other countries cannot just come and start performing the surgery, right? They have to have license in that country. So it's not such a simple thing. On adults, on children, okay, maybe it's going to fly under the radar, but adults, I don't think so. For example, in my family, so where we grew up, it was forbidden to have circumcision, but in my family, everybody had the circumcision. But if somebody would find out, the government, they would have big problems. Even like the person who did Moyle would go to the prison. Why? It's like illegal surgery. He's not authorized. You understand? And it was one of my cousins. They did this. He's younger than me a little, I don't know, a year or so. So he had. They did a circumcision. It was like all of the operation. They would take the boys to the different cities because in that city everybody like knew the Moyles and they would know. So it took us to different cities, and the Moyle would come like secretly and do the circumcision. And with me everything went well, but with this cousin of mine, they could not stop blood for a few days. It was terrible. So everybody was shaking. You understand? So I don't remember. I have to ask my mother how it ended up. Did they have to go to the hospital or not? But it was a very dangerous situation. Maybe they bribed somebody. I'm not sure. So you cannot just go there with a baby on the hospital and say, you know what, we try, but it's not working. Can you help us? Of course, they're going to help the baby, but they're going to call police at the same time. You understand? So, needless to say about adults. So it's I don't believe like they would like. It's not like I don't know, some easy procedure. It's not. plus I think in most of the cases would give a person anesthesia, even local. So you have to you need to have a doctor, have to see your chart, like check your health. Like it's not so easy. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
HaShem,
Yeah, go there and check and see, talk to people and get some experience. Yeah. I know that I have one guest in my house that said he was in his 30s, like in mid-30s, that he in the age of 29 he had circumcision, like without anesthesia. They gave him some vodka here in the States. I don't know. So he's this kind of people. So very adventurous, and they did it right there in a shul in what is it, Rabbi's desk. I don't know. Like that's how he explained. I don't know how is it possible, how is this, how is that, but that's what they did. But it's not proper. So, but the other people that I know, they actually, when it was a rabbi who is a doctor, or at least have some medical degree, some license from the government to do that. So it's especially because he does it on adults, right? And right. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
No, I was just going to say that, in regards to the money issue, I believe someone gave like a big donation there in New York, and that's why they decided to come here and do these things. But anyways,
okay, so go there and find out. Go there and find out.
Yes, HaShem.